again, trying to take a look. This template that I'm using is now at a 15-degree angle, only because it's at a higher section in perspective. So as I take a look at this, sliding these templates across, just placing one in there, there it is, and I've already put a center line in there, so just to repeat a little bit so you can see it, that's the center line. And then as you start to again illustrate these, whether you're just doing it freehand or using this as a little bit of a crutch to help me out there, and then the bottom part just making it so it fills this out, even though this is a elliptical shape, still connecting it going up. This is the base of it being that dark. Like I said, I've already gone a little bit in the distance here, except for this handle and as well as this spout coming out. So as I go through this section, again lining this up, finding the smaller template there. And you can do the same thing again, shading this just by pushing this across and make sure it's lined up there. And this one made it a little too small enough to place in there. And this is a good example of using the contour line across it to illustrate that piece. Building that in there, so it's giving a couple highlights in there off of the plastic just to build it in there, see how it's laid into it. And again, taking this same ellipse, just let it ride itself around to create that highlight. Go ahead and again, this is doing the contour shading with the form, and a couple of brackets on top. And the same tangent line that goes on this edge. That section might be a little off. And all of these reflections, just like a gradient. Values there. So when you think of it, it's the material is giving the highlight on there of the plastic. That's what's causing that. This edge also has a small template right there. Again, trying to it's not too bad. And if you zoom into your reference, taking a look at this. This part that's coming out is perpendicular to this section. hopefully you can see the contrasting the values. This is a compared to the cup you did before, which is a very high key drawing, and this has a solid black on the top and bottom, and then all the in-between tones on the metal part. As you get into the metallic part, try to show a little variation in there. That'll give you that piece. So these are almost like the gradient bands that you see in Illustrator that bring this up. Trying to get that shine in there. So that's giving you most of that piece. So see if you can get the full range of values that you have in there, black to white.